Check it out. First, on this one, you have to press these in. So you press it in, lift it out a little bit, you'll see a little space. Go to the other side, press it in, lift it out. Then it just pops right off. Then you take this out. You can sit this down for now. On here, and I'll show you. You hook in there and you turn it this way. There's little arrows that point in what direction to turn it. So you bend this and you hook it in these little holes right here. That's what I'm about to do now. This particular roll needs 30 feet. Your arm lengths are usually somewhere around your body length, so I'm gonna probably be about 74 inches. One, so that's 6 feet, 12, 18, 24, 30. Next thing you want to do is fold it in half. Now that I have it folded in half, let's bend it. Right here, there's an arrow. Right there. You want that arrow. That's the direction that this is supposed to go. You might not be able to see it, but there's an arrow on the bottom. You put it in those two holes, and then you go in the direction of the arrow. Put it in those two holes, go in the direction of the arrow. You bend it like this. Put it in the guide hole. Now there's two. See? And I'm just going in the direction of the arrow. Got my fingers. It's in between both fingers like that. Once it's in between both fingers like that, you just keep going. I'm almost at the end, and you see how it's twisted? I'll take this end and put it in there. This end, put it in there. And now it's in there. What you want to do though, is you want one of them on one side and one on the other side. So we'll put this one over here, that one over. See the outlet where it comes out? This needs to go underneath. So I'll pop that in, and there we go. It's underneath it. Now I hold this. Same thing on this side. Right there. Pop that out. Put it in there. Next thing, you take this, pop it back in the hole. One on one side, one on the other side. And you're done. That's how it should look. Here's the thing too. Off choke is 3 lines. On choke is 2 lines and 1 in the middle. You got that? 2 lines, 1 in the middle is full choke. Once you get it started, you put it on there. So I'm gonna put it on full choke. Press this button up for start. Prime. It may go in one time, then you take it off choke. Ready to roll. See that? You're done. Now you get your goggles.